creating a Facebook ad strategy for e-commerce is essential for reaching your target audience, driving traffic, and ultimately converting that traffic into sales. A well-planned strategy helps you make the most of your ad budget while scaling your e-commerce business. Here's a detailed breakdown of the steps involved in building a successful Facebook ad strategy for e-commerce. 1. Define your goals. Understanding your primary objective is critical for setting up a proper Facebook ad strategy. Your goals will guide the campaign setup, targeting, and ad creative. Brand awareness. To introduce your brand to a new audience. Traffic. To drive visitors to your website or product pages. Engagement. To get more likes, comments, and shares on your posts. Lead generation. To collect email addresses or leads for future marketing. Conversions. Sales. To drive direct sales from Facebook ads. Retargeting, remarketing. To reach out to people who've previously interacted with your business. 2. Understand your target audience. Knowing your target audience is critical to crafting effective Facebook ads. Facebook offers many targeting options, so it's important to segment your audience accurately. Demographics. Age, gender, income, education, and location. Interest-based targeting. Interests such as hobbies, sports, fashion, fitness, etc. Behavioral targeting, purchase behavior, device usage, travel history, etc. Custom audiences, upload email lists or target website visitors via Facebook Pixel. Lookalike audiences, find people who share similar characteristics with your existing customers. 3. Use Facebook Pixel. Facebook Pixel is a powerful tool for tracking the actions people take on your website. You can use it to track visitors who view your product pages or add items to the cart. Optimize for conversions, e.g., purchases, sign-ups. Retarget users who visited your site but didn't complete a purchase. Build lookalike audiences based on high-value customers. Make sure your pixel is properly set up on your e-commerce site to ensure accurate tracking. 4. Create compelling ads. The visual appeal and messaging of your ads can significantly impact performance. For e-commerce, high-quality images and videos are key. Product images. Use clear, high-resolution images showing your products in use or on models. Product videos. Show products in action. Demonstrations or unboxings often work well. Carousel ads. Showcase multiple products in a single ad. Great for displaying a collection or bestsellers. Collection ads. Display a set of products that users can browse within the Facebook app. Dynamic product ads. Retarget users with ads that feature the exact products they viewed on your site. Ad copy. Your ad copy should be clear, concise, and have a strong call to action, CTA. Highlight benefits and unique selling propositions. USPS. Include a sense of urgency, e.g., limited time offers, buy now. Keep the CTA clear, e.g., shop now, learn more. 5. Choose the right ad format. Facebook offers several ad formats that you can use for e-commerce. Single image ads. Great for promoting one product with a compelling visual. Carousel ads. Perfect for showcasing multiple products or features. Video ads. Ideal for showing products in action or telling your brand story. Collection ads. Showcase a series of products in an immersive way. Dynamic ads. Automatically show the right products to the right people based on their behavior. 6. Set your budget and bidding. Deciding on your budget and how much you're willing to spend is crucial to your ad's success. Daily budget. Set an amount to spend each day. Lifetime budget. Set an overall budget for the duration of the campaign. Bidding strategy. Lowest cost, automatic bidding. Facebook optimizes your ad delivery to get the most results within your budget. Cost cap. Control the average cost per action, e.g., per purchase. Bid cap. Set a max bid for your ad placement. 7. Optimize your landing pages. When running ads, your landing page, product page, must align with your ad and provide a seamless experience. Focus on fast load times, minimize bounce rates, clear and persuasive product descriptions, high-quality images and videos of the product, easy navigation and smooth checkout process, social proof like reviews and ratings. Ensure that your ad message, targeting, and landing page are all aligned to create a cohesive and engaging experience for users.
8. Ad placement strategy. Facebook provides several placement options, and you should choose the ones that are most relevant to your goals. Automatic placement. Facebook will decide where your ads are shown: feed, stories, marketplace, etc. It's a good choice for broad campaigns. Manual placement. Choose specific platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Messenger, Audience Network, etc. 9. Testing and optimization. A/B testing is crucial to determine which ads work best. Test various elements of your ad: creative, images versus videos, ad copy variations, colors, and fonts. CTA. Try different CTA phrases like shop now, buy today, etc. Targeting. Test different audience segments. Ad format. Carousel versus single image versus video ads. Monitor performance and adjust the campaigns based on the results. Use Facebook Ads Manager to track key metrics such as click-through rate, CTR, conversion rate, cost per click, CPC, cost per conversion, CPA, return on ad spend, ROAS. 10. Retargeting and remarketing. Retargeting is crucial for an e-commerce Facebook ads strategy. People often visit your store without making a purchase, so retargeting allows you to bring them back to complete the sale. Website visitors. Use Facebook Pixel to retarget visitors who didn't convert. Abandoned cart. Reach users who added products to their cart but didn't complete the checkout. Previous buyers. Upsell or cross-sell to customers who've made a purchase before. 11. Leverage seasonal and promotional campaigns. Take advantage of seasonal events, Black Friday, Christmas, New Year, or special sales, flash sales, discount offers. These campaigns often perform better because consumers are already in a buying mindset.
12. Monitor, analyze, and scale. Regularly monitor your ad performance and analyze the results to determine what's working. Look at CTR. How engaging is your ad? ROAS. How profitable are your ads? CPC and CPA. How much are you paying for traffic or conversions? Once you find the best performing ads, scale them by increasing your budget or expanding your audience. Key takeaways. 1. Set clear objectives. Decide if you want to focus on awareness, traffic, or conversions. 2. Understand your audience. Use Facebook's targeting tools to find and segment your customers. 3. Optimize your creative. Use high-quality images, videos, and compelling ad copy. 4th. Test, optimize, and scale. Continuously monitor and optimize your campaigns for better performance. 5. Retargeting is essential. Use Facebook Pixel to retarget users who didn't convert. By carefully crafting your Facebook ad strategy and testing different elements, you can significantly increase your e-commerce store's sales and grow your business effectively.